24 hours on Earth. It is taken for granted that the length of the day is 24 hours long, with humans and many other species evolving to have their sleep and behavioral patterns to fit this time span. And yet, Earth's days were not always 24 hours long. As, during our planet's geologic history, they have not only varied to between 5 and 24 hours long, but also these changes occurred via both long-term increases and decreases in our planet's rotational speed. Here is a quick summary of this long-term trend. For the first 33 million years of day length to our planet's existence, days were a mere 10 hours long. However, after Theia impacted proto-Earth to form our moon, the length of a day was rapidly shortened due to the transferred rotational energy from the collision, reducing to only 5 hours in length. By the time the first oceans appeared, days were 6 hours 59 minutes, and by the time the first very primitive life forms evolved, days were 10 hours 11 minutes. By 3 billion years ago, days were 14 hours 39 minutes, but then this trend suddenly changed 2 billion years ago, by which time days were 19 hours 18 minutes long. All of a sudden, due to the fluctuations and evolution of our planet's atmosphere, the length of days would slowly decrease, with this pattern continuing until 1.094 billion years ago, by which time days were only 18 hours 54 minutes long. The length of a day has subsequently increased ever since, being 20 hours 14 minutes long when the first true animal emerged, a sponge, and 21 hours 33 minutes when the first jellyfish emerged. The first reptile evolved when days were 22 hours 40 minutes long, while the age of the dinosaurs saw days vary between 23 hours 2 minutes and 23 hours 43 minutes long. At the present, every century sees the length of a day increase by 1.78 milliseconds, translating to the additional of a second 56,180 years from now, when days would become 24 hours, 0 minutes, and 1 second long. The vast majority of this ever-lengthening day was caused by tidal friction from our planet's moon, which in turn heavily affected tides whose motions as a whole slowed down Earth's rotation. There are also more instantaneous or short-term